there, I'm Carol. I'm the head instructor for the Long Island Swing Syndicate. We hold regular classes in Lindy Hop, Charleston, Balboa, solo jazz movement, and we also do performance classes. We actually fill a really unique niche here on Long Island. We're the only game in town that's going to teach you all forms of swing dancing, from the eras of the 1910s all the way through the 1950s.
Hi everyone, this is Charla. I'm one of the other instructors with the Long Island Swing Syndicate. In addition to teaching classes and performing choreography, we also organize LISS to be a clearinghouse for vintage swing and jazz around Long Island. And we do this because swing is ultimately a community-driven activity. We work really hard to build a community of people on Long Island who love the music, history, and style of swing, in addition to loving the dance itself. We maintain a calendar of music and dance events around the island. We partner with other community organizations to teach and perform at their events. And we bring in guest instructors to teach workshops in specialized topics. Your membership and support helps us do all of that.
And I'm Kathleen. I've been with the Syndicate since its inception because one of the things I love about this dance is the social dancing. Thanks to you, our growing community of swing dancers, we have been able to host a monthly social dance at Charlotte's Speakeasy in Farmingdale. I'd love to do more field trips into the city and around Long Island in 2020. We have so many opportunities to dance to live music. I want all of you to experience this dance as it is meant to be, connecting joyously with people, dancing to a live band.
All of us play. Oh, islands that swing with a sway, with a wacky wacky hula and aloha ikapua. Those beaches of sand snowy white, those natives that love living right, those waves that all of us ride. Where the yellow moon is mellow as a cello, it's always swing time.